So I got some packages that I want to open up. So here we go. Just a standard. I hope these are cute. They're little. Show my address in it. Here we go. Alright. Candle jars. Ooh, I like these a lot. It's so pretty. As you all know, I am starting a candle business, and my brand colors are pink, yellow, and white. So I'm excited. It's like a matte rose. This is so pretty. I love it. I don't know about the lid. I think I wanna do like a gold lid. Who knows? We'll see. But either way, it's pretty. Got these from Etsy. Let me open this one. Oh, actually, to be safe, back. Just break these off and put in your little wax warmer. So I'm excited for these. Anyways, it's here's this one. It's the little squares. It's probably easier to break compared to that one, but yeah. These are the, I believe it's chocolate mold. And oh wait, this one's different. So this is like a rectangle shape compared to the squares. back. All of these are from Amazon. Candles are from Etsy. So this is my candle making kit that I got from Amazon. This is what it has. It's like the little stainless steel, what do you want to call it, melter pitcher. You can put your candle wax in and it'll melt. This is what comes in the kit. Candle wicks center device, and candle wick stickers, if y'all can see that. So I'm gonna open it. If I can. Uh-oh. Okay. I'll fresh out the, oh, wait a minute. I don't think it comes with what it said on the box. No, it did not. Yeah, it didn't come with the candle wick center. It just came with the pot and the little stir, which is fine because I have a kit that actually comes with it. So this is what it, oh, there goes me. This is what it looks like. Stainless steel. I have these, which I'm not gonna cut into this too much. I'm just gonna open a little. Oh. So this is what it looks like. You pour the candle wax into here and close it. And now you got your own little kit, or set, I mean. Last but not least is this kit. It's soy wax kit that I got from Amazon. I really want to do this like now, but I have other stuff that I need to do, like priority. Alright, so here is the soy wax. Anything in it? No. So it's just these 2 pound, or 1 pound of soy wax. Then the little center device. And then here are the wicks. Which I kind of like the wooden wicks that are wider compared to these. Because I'm trying to figure out if I put it in this jar. There's one little wick. I might save these for like smaller jars. Yeah. So I'm gonna see if I can get the wider wicks and use that. These don't come with stickers? I'm deceased. So now I gotta order those too. Great. So wider wicks, adhesive stickers, whatever. This is the hot plate. Oh Jesus. This is the brand Elite Gourmet. Alright. This is the burner, pot plate, whatever you want to call it. Here we go. I'll pull this out. I ain't never used this. Oh, I don't know. Probably got to unplug everything from the outlet so it don't start a fire. Oh, Jesus. Before first use, unpack contents, remove any packaging. I already did that, blah, blah, blah. The smoke and odor, what? Odor? The smoke and odor should go away with subsequent use of appliance. So it's gonna be smoky? It also recommends to run the unit for 15 minutes on the 1 setting to, oh, already starting off bad. Here we go. Oh, it's already hot. Ooh, maybe I should not put that, hold up. Excuse my janky hood towel, please. Got my little heat gun, thermometer, infrared thermometer. There we go. Now I'll be using this to check the heat. Okay. Don't know how much that was, but here we are. Okay, this part isn't hot, so I can move this in frame. and y'all can just watch it melt. All right, we're gonna move this over to the side. You check the temperature. It's 291, so we're gonna wait until it gets to about 180, and then I'll add the fragrance and the mica. All right, y'all, we're getting close. We are at 185.5. I'm gonna let it go down a little bit more, and then I'll add my fragrance in. Got a little bit into here. So this is gonna be the plain. This is gonna be the pink. I'm gonna add some of my mica into it. I'm using this.